To disinstall or uninstall an application on Windows 11, go to your search bar and type the name of the application which you want to get rid of. Next step, on the right panel, you will see uninstall option. Click on it. Windows will ask you if you really want to uninstall this application. Just go ahead and click uninstall. Wait a few seconds and normally the application should disappear from your Windows computer. You can also do this with any other application and it should work the same way. If still after this method it didn't work for you, go to your search bar and type Control Panel and click on Control Panel to open. As a next step, you can change View By to Category so that you are able to follow with this video. Next step, click on Install a program, locate the application, here is Microsoft Team Meeting, right-click and install, click Yes, and the uninstall process should start for that specific application. This process usually takes up to 1 to 2 minutes until it's completed. After that, all what you need to do is to restart your computer. Thank you guys for watching and talk to you soon in a new video tutorial.